If you're trying to log into Epic Games using a username, there's one very important thing to know right away. Epic Games does not let you sign in with just your display name or username. So in this video, I'll show you the correct way to log in, what to do if you only remember your username, and how to recover access if you've forgotten your login details. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this. Let's get into it. First, open your browser and go to epicgames.com. Once the site loads, look for the sign in button, usually at the top right of the page. Click it to open the login screen. Now, here's the key part. You will need to sign in using the email address connected to your Epic Games account and your password. If you linked your Epic account to another service, you can also use one of those options instead, like Google, Xbox, PlayStation, or Apple, depending on how your account was originally set up. If you're sitting there thinking, I only remember my username, don't worry, because there's still a way forward. Since Epic Games doesn't support login with username alone, the best next step is to use the Forgot Your Password option. Click that link on the sign-in page, then enter the email address you think is connected to the account. Epic Games will send you a password reset email if that address matches your account. Open the email, follow the reset link, and create a new password. After that, go back to the sign-in page and log in with your email and new password. If you've used a linked account before, you can also try signing in with that method instead. For example, if your Epic account was connected to Google, select Google and continue with that account. The same goes for Xbox, PlayStation, or Apple. This can be much faster if you don't remember the email and password combination. If you still can't get in, check all of your email inboxes, including spam or promotions, for any Epic Games messages. Sometimes the account recovery email is there, but it gets missed. Also, make sure you're using the correct Epic account because many people have more than one email address or more than one gaming login connected to different services. The main takeaway is simple. You cannot log into Epic Games using only a username. You need either the email and password or a linked account like Google, Xbox, PlayStation, or Apple. So if you only remember your username, use it as a clue to help you identify the right account, then recover access through the email reset process. If this video helped clear things up, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy gaming and tech guides. Thanks for watching, and good luck getting back into your Epic Games account.